Hey Artland, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw one of my favorite cartoon characters growing up, and that was Sheldon from the show Garfield and Friends. Now, this is definitely the older version of Garfield and Friends, so a lot of you guys probably have never seen this guy, but he's basically just a little chick that never hatched out of his shell, so he's just an egg with two little feet running around. So to start off with this, we're actually going to begin with the legs. So I'm going to start right here towards like right about the middle but down a little bit. And I'm just going to draw a little line like this, kind of at a diagonal. Now, coming right down here, I'm going to draw a line down here. And then I'm going to draw another line down here. And I want it to get a little bit bigger as it comes down. Then I'm going to start here and I'm going to make a little line that kind of curves up and down. And then I'm going to draw another line that just kind of goes up, and then it's just going to kind of curve down like this and come over for the toe. Now, starting right here, I'm going to do that same thing. I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to curve up, and I'm going to come down, and then I'm just going to go all the way over to about here. Then I'm going to take this line, I'm going to go a little bit farther, and I'm going to go up, and then I'm just going to kind of curve over to here. Now, I wanted to draw this first foot, and now we want to add some little details up here. So the first thing starting up here is I'm going to draw a line that goes in, out, and then in again. And then same thing here, go in, out, and in one more time. Now, we want to make his shell before we draw the other leg. So the shell is going to be nice and big. So I'm going to start a little bit lower than this line. And I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of curve out. And it's going to kind of come a little bit to a point, and then it's going to be a rounded point though. And then it's just going to go down. And then I'm going to curve it right back to here. Now, starting here, we want to make the other leg. So first, I'm just going to draw a little diagonal line that goes to here. Then I'm going to make a line that kind of goes down, and then it's just going to kind of curve around and then come down. It's going to go in a little bit. Then I'm going to draw another line that just kind of goes down, and then it's just going to curve right around to this foot. And that's basically it. There is your drawing of Sheldon from Garfield and Friends. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.